Welcome to our channel. Tips on how to preserve fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator. 1. Avoid pre-washing. If you are going to store vegetables or fruits in the refrigerator, wash them just before you are going to use them. It is because the added humidity from washing may make produce rot more quickly. 2. Store whole vegetables and fruits. Don't cut produce before putting it in the refrigerator because cut up vegetables and fruits will rot more quickly. However, if you are planning to use the vegetables shortly, you can cut them first and keep them in a container inside your refrigerator. 3. Do not store everything in the same place. Put leafy vegetables and herbs into the crisper and separate other fruits and vegetables on different shelves. 4. Use paper instead of plastic. Closed plastic containers or bags capture moisture and may make your vegetables and fruits rot. Use paper covering or net bags when keeping them in the refrigerator. 5. Label the packages. To make sure that you do not store fruits and vegetables for too long or forget about them, label the packages with a use by date. 6. Set the correct temperature. To keep your produce fresh, it is important to set the correct temperature in your refrigerator. Vegetables and fruits are kept at a temperature of 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. 7. Keep steady humidity of fridge. To ensure that your fruits and vegetables stay fresh for a long time, it is important to store them at a steady, not too high humidity level. 8. Check your produce regularly. If you are storing fruits and vegetables for several days or even weeks, make sure to check them regularly to catch any signs of spoiling as soon as possible. 9. Use containers. If you are storing vegetables like carrot or cabbages, put the dry vegetables in a container in your refrigerator's crisper, not mixing up with other produce that may rot more quickly. 10. Clean your refrigerator. Hygiene is very important to store the produce. The produce that is beginning to rot will very quickly affect other vegetables and fruits in the vicinity. There are some fruits and vegetables that should never be kept in the refrigerator. Tomatoes quickly lose their flavor and texture when kept in the refrigerator. Potatoes too should be kept in a dark and cool place. Onions, peaches should be kept on kitchen counter than in your refrigerator. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching my video.